How are you doing? This is a good view. Can you see me? Hopefully everything's okay. Okay. I don't know how to start it. This is different. Anyways, hey, I'm back. Wait, no, that's not good. Hey, I'm back, and I'm gonna show you how to turn this hair into a puff, but like differently, if that makes sense. I don't know, I can't talk. I'm supposed to say it. Right now, I'm gonna show you the process of how I do my hair in a puff. So right now we have my hair just like whatever, tousle, because I had it before in a puff, but then like it got annoying. So like I'm gonna redo it, but for a YouTube video. You get what I mean. Okay, so right now we just have like, you know, curly hair. Like I curled it yesterday, put some products in it because I washed it because I had braids in from before. If I have a picture, I'll put it in here. Show my braids or whatever. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my puff, and I'm gonna show you the process and what I do and the products that I'm gonna use for this hairstyle. It's gonna be a lot of editing, by the way. Phoo-wee. Okay, so right now we're gonna start by, and I have my mirror here, so if I keep on looking, I'm looking at my mirror. So right now we're gonna take my hair out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. After we're done shaking our hair, we're gonna just rake your fingers through it. Yeah, this is called a nest. I don't know what's in here, what hidden materials are in my hair. This is craziness right here. After you're done, just like, you know, raking your fingers through your hair, pulling out any loose hairs, why would I have loose hairs? I mean like, anyways, after you're done raking your fingers through your hair, just look at your hair, just be like, wow, so pretty, look at my crown. You already know, flexing it, what's up, what's up. We're going to start by getting our pick. We're gonna pick our hair, and then we're gonna get our gels, edge control, any edge thing that you have, in a brush. So we can put this up in puff, not ponytail, puff. We're back because I had to go get some essentials. So I'm gonna show you what products we'll be using today. So first, to just like, you know, wet my hair, we're gonna be using this spray bottle. It's like leave-in conditioner. And the next product we'll be using is our pick. The one that, this is the thing that I told you I was gonna get in the other video. This is the pick. And then we have my hairband, so I can put it in my puff. And then we have my brush. And then we have the Gorilla Snot. This lays your edges down very nicely. And then we have our 2 bobby pins, so we can put it up in the puff properly. Okay, so first what we're gonna do, didn't I just have my pick with me? Oh, silly me. So anyways, we're gonna pick out our hair, and this just makes your hair more fuller. And again, keep picking to the desired size that you want your puff to be. I like them pretty big, so I make sure I pick out my hair. Pick out all over my head. I'm gonna turn around for you. Oh gosh, you know this gives you muscles when you're doing this? Like, I don't need to go to the gym. This is literally my weight. Like, what's up? So after we're done doing that now, we're going to get our Gorilla Snot, and this is where we're gonna just lay up the hair so it can be flat. So now after you get your Gorilla Snot, you're gonna apply a small amount in your hand. You don't need too much because, yeah, it's not that needed. And you're just gonna put this in your hair. Put it top, make sure you get everything in there. You're gonna apply it to the back of your head as well. Slick, slick, slick. Now my favorite part is brushing it in. So you're gonna brush it in very well. And keep brushing it in. Brush it in. Brush it in. Brush it in like that. Okay, now after you're done brushing it in, you're gonna get your headband. This is like a Nike stretched out hairband that I always use for these hairstyles because like it's very stretchy. You're gonna apply it over your head. You're gonna twist it. Don't choke yourself, please. I'm not promoting that on my channel. Please don't be choking yourself. Do it carefully, okay? So do this over your head like that. And how I like it is like, oh my gosh, and everything falls on me. How I like it is that usually I wear it like high up, but I kind of want it in a back kind of style right now. Not too high up. I'm not trying to have a big pineapple right now. That's not my mood right now. So now with our bobby pins that we got earlier, we're gonna clip it in the back of our heads. So what you're doing is you're securing your headband. So it doesn't go and fly off your head. And now with your other bobby pin, you're gonna be pushing it back. Get closer. So push your hair back to the desired way that you want it to be. And you kind of just look at it, check if you like it or not. I kind of want it more back. Push it back a little bit more. See if you like it or not. See what's up with it. You know, I think it's okay. With this, I don't even need to secure a band because it's already pretty tight on my face, but like, hair got in my mouth, sorry. But like, it's already pretty tight on my head, so just fluff your hair out like that. And now you get your magic pick again, and you're just picking your hair the whole time. That's it, just picking your hair. And when you feel like you're looking like a baddie and you're embracing your crown, you sit back and you're like, ciao, like that's it. Like, I'm already looking fly, what's up? Okay, and then also with this style, you can do edges if you feel like it. You know, I did it before, but like literally what it is just putting Gorilla Snot on your toothbrush and you're just like brushing it back, making sure that your hair, you know, looks good or whatever. Just brush it back. My brush has been through a lot. So with these edges, as you can see, so yeah, I just add like a little, you know, spunk to it and a little like creativity. But like, you don't have to do it. It's not mandatory. But like, you know, if I feel like it, I put it on edges. It's whatever. Okay. And there you have it, the finished look. Check me out. Check me out. What's up? Okay, thank you for watching my tutorial on how I created this high puff with a headband. You know, it's pretty easy, and if you need any help, you can like message me or whatever. But like, this is pretty much how I do it every time I want to have a high puff. So thanks for watching. Comment down below and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for coming to Monique's life. Bye.